You guys, the sun is out today. Do you know how exciting that is? Welcome back, guys, to another scary things happening. I swear I sound like a scarecrow. But welcome back to another vlog, you guys. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Tasha. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to check out my previous content so you can get familiar with me and the channel. We do lifestyle, beauty, vlogs, hygiene. We do reviews on contact lenses like the ones that I'm wearing today. So if you're interested, make sure to, I'll leave a link to the website in my description box, as well as my discount code. You can get 20% off on your purchase on iKOI's lenses. But yeah, just thought I should share with you guys. I was working on that video today, but we were planting recently, and today we're just gonna finish planting up the cherry tree, honeyberry tree, and the grape tree. Somebody let me know in the comments of my last video that the honeyberry tree needed the other half, like the Mr. or the Mrs., something like that. Me and my mom were looking into it. We're still looking into it because we were trying to read to see if we do need to get the other tree so that it can grow. It's kind of windy, Mom. Is it getting a little windy? It's so unpredictable out here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing. So we're just going to, Mommy said she wanted to get her planting done today. Trust me, you guys, I'll be doing more videos like this, but honestly the weather has just been loopy-loop. You guys see my Canadian tree? A real Canadian, eh? I'm like, I need to take it down, but I'm like, yo, the neighbor's gonna be like, yo, what's the girl trying to say? She don't like Canada? Because the neighbor also has a Canadian flag. A few of them do. We're Canadians around here. Obviously, girl, we live in Canada, duh. So you're gonna put them each in these? Not in the ground no more?
No, because the dirt need to fix.
But they should be fine in these spots, right?
Yeah, for now, yeah. I want to cut down that here and plant them after.
Okay.
It's wet. Hope I have enough there.
Did you get these pots from a dollar store?
Yeah, that's why I just went.
I remember we saw that, right?
Decide I have to. They're so good. They're planting already.
Yeah, Mommy just picked these up at Dollarama, guys. They're pretty big. Just filling them up with dirt.
Pay money to get a lot of things done around here first.
Yeah, I know. So many of these trees need. Well, you can't handle what? A lot of these need to be chopped down, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I feel like all this work is gonna take all summer, and there's back there, over there. It's never ending. If the stick can't do it, then I'll go grab a knife. Not that big stick. Come on. Come on. Maybe this one. You just need it to like pop it open.
I should come prepared, eh?
It's okay. Did it do it? If not, we'll go with it. See?
Because the days just mess us up so bad.
Wow. This is from over there.
These dirt are so tough. It's not supposed to be so tough. And they were on sale.
And that's why it was on sale.
Shouldn't buy dirt. Never buy dirt in Jamaica. Got these things. I'm wondering I just put them in it.
What is this? What about this is?
Thinking if I put it in this.
This is just some plant food. So we're gonna add this to the dirt?
Yeah, why not?
Where do you get this? Y'all think I'm the original dollar store person. I know you got this at dollar store, Mom.
Yeah, but it wasn't $1 though. It's
No, I
almost
know.
$5. That's the thing.
Okay, so this is where I get it from.
Yeah, it's not like it was cheap for a dollar store.
Mom is a Dollarama dollar store guru. Did they even grow a little bit since?
Yeah, they were small. I'm telling you, if we had planted them already.
Let me help you. Remember you got a little strawberry one too?
It's, yeah.
I really hope strawberries come on this one. I think we should have got the whole strawberry tree. What is this? This is a parsley.
You want me to go get the bucket for the
This is the
strawberry?
thyme. No, well, it's not in anything yet.
I have another bucket can put for the strawberry. And this is for these three.
And we didn't come prepared, Mom. We need to get the knife. I'm gonna have to get a knife to open this. I'll be back.
First time.
Why is it blue?
What did it say when you read it?
This is plant food.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay, so we put the plant food in each one of these. My camera card got full, so if you guys see different qualities, because I have to be using my phone. It actually looks good on my phone.
I want to plant my cherry first.
What's the difference, Mom?
I don't even know.
Mom says she wants to do the cherry one first. Your mind has been on this cherry. Well, the cherry one's my favorite too.
I'm wondering if I needed a scissors to cut this.
Careful. Want me to help you take it out?
She brings something.
Maybe you just have to finesse it a lot. Not like I'm not trying to help Mommy plant these. She actually wants to do them herself. I don't know if she just doesn't trust me because I am new to this. But she's just, you know, having fun planting them. This is more her thing than mine. There's so much more out here to do too. So we will be out here pretty often. And just doing what we can do. There's so many trees out here that need to be chopped down. She's so worried about some of the big trees. I'm just so glad out here it's just sunny today, finally, because it's been so annoying with the weather, and I'm the type of person I vibe depending on how the weather is. Huh?
Just take time, I could get it out without you.
What scissors is that, Mom? Wow. Is it deep enough?
what's out there.
We're
Just
gonna see some cherries soon.
A lot of the trees have to be cut down so that we can plant bigger trees.
yeah, we have to cut them
So
down and get
it's
it
not
done.
like, you know, we're like, oh, let's just get these small trees. No, there's nowhere to really put them right now.
Although there's a
nowhere
big
to put
place.
them.
There is.
Like, it's big, but it has a lot of clearing up to do.
If it was planted,
Probably would
it
have
would
been
be
bigger.
doing pretty good. Maybe by next summer, put it in the hurt.
Yeah. Oh, these.
Yeah. When I cut the place, when I cut down that area,
Yeah.
because I don't need those trees. What am I doing with them?
they're so useless.
Yeah,
I'd
they're
rather
so
have the fruit
useless.
trees. It's the grape.
I hope I can get this off. I don't cut it.
Yeah, that one came out easier.
This one closer down. A nice stash. Look at that.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it's looking cool. Is this deep enough?
Let me see. Yeah. One more is enough. This is the grape.
Make sure we should mark that one.
So we know, right?
Put this one here so I know.
You could just put the label on it.
Where's the other one for this?
Oh, is that the strawberry?
Yeah. Where would it?
You guys, I had no faith in this strawberry, but I'm pretty sure that's a strawberry, no? When I see Mommy pick this up, I was like, where are we going with this? Can you believe I had no faith in the one that's actually showing a fruit?
Yeah, I've been telling you, but you weren't saying to you that you have strawberry.
Wow.
Do I have to take this off? Where's the scissors? And then when it gets sunny, we can come do stuff around here, but because it's not sunny and trees, you
The
know.
weather's so unpredictable.
Mm-hmm.
Don't move it. Okay, so also gonna plant these.
Because I know we can't plant in the hood, so I think this and then the timing for it. This is what?
We got our grape tree, honeyberry, little strawberry, the cherry tree. Got some parsley over there. Yeah, that's it for the vlog, guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, as well as subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.